Our next topic is quakes and cyclones. So, here are some statements about earthquakes. Choose the correct words and fill in the blanks. First is an earthquake is caused by sudden release of energy in the earth's crust. This energy creates dash waves, that is seismic waves. The waves of energy travel through the earth, setting up vibrations in everything that comes in their path. The release of energy is caused mostly by the rupture of geological faults, that is, cracks. It may also be caused by things such as volcanic activity, huge dams, mine blast, and nuclear test. Second, the point at which an earthquake originates, that is, the point below the surface where the fault first ruptures, is called hypocenter. The epicenter is the point on the surface of Earth's crust directly above this point. Third, tsunami wave is caused when the seabed is sufficiently displaced because of a large undersea earthquake. Fourth, the size of the earthquake is called its magnitude. It is measured by seismometer and is recorded on a seismograph. Two scales that are used for measuring the intensity of quakes are the moment magnitude scale and the Richter scale. Most earthquake and volcanic activity occur along the rims of tectonic plates. One of the most active such boundaries in the rim of the huge Pacific plate, which is therefore called the Ring of Fire.